The year was 1977, a time of big dreams and even bigger ambitions. Humanity looked to the stars. We yearned to explore, to understand our place. A new mission was conceived, bold, daring, full of hope. Voyager One was its name. This tiny emissary was built, crafted by human hands, driven by human intellect. Its twin, Voyager Two, shared its destiny. Their objectives were monumental: to visit the gas giants, Jupiter, Saturn, and beyond, to unlock their ancient secrets, to see what no one had seen. The primary targets were clear: Jupiter, the king of planets, a swirling maelstrom of storms, and Saturn, the ringed jewel, its beauty unparalleled. Voyager would fly close. Its instruments would peer deep, revealing wonders beyond imagining. This was just the beginning. Beyond these colossal worlds lay an even greater journey, a path into the interstellar dark. Voyager was not just a probe, it was a messenger, a pioneer for humanity, carrying our hopes, our questions out into the cosmic ocean, a true spark of curiosity. September 5th, 1977. A roar of thunderous fire. Voyager One ascended, leaving Earth far behind. Our blue marble shrank, becoming a distant memory. The probe faced vast emptiness. A long, silent voyage awaited. Its grand odyssey had begun. It first crossed the asteroid belt, a region of rock and dust. A silent, careful passage. No collisions, no damage. Then a giant appeared, growing larger in its view. Jupiter, immense, powerful. The first great encounter. Anticipation filled mission control. Jupiter revealed its majesty and its incredible fury. The great red spot churned, a storm larger than Earth. Moons of ice and fire, Io, a volcanic inferno, Europa, hiding a vast ocean. Voyager captured it all, transforming our understanding. Then onward to Saturn, the solar system's masterpiece. Its rings, a breathtaking sight, delicate, complex, shimmering. Titan, a moon with atmosphere, thick, orange, mysterious. Voyager One flew past, gathering precious data, new wonders at every turn. The encounters were over. Jupiter and Saturn receded, becoming bright points of light. The solar system itself faded, a familiar neighborhood left behind. Voyager One pressed onward into the great unknown, alone in the cosmic dark, piercing the veil of night. It journeyed for years towards the edge of our sun's influence, the heliosphere, a protective bubble. Then it crossed the boundary, the heliopause, a momentous event. Voyager One entered interstellar space, the space between the stars, a true pioneer in the void, the first human object to do so. Decades slipped by silently. The probe, a tiny speck in an ocean of blackness, it continued its vigil, sending back faint signals, data about this new realm. Its voice grew weaker, but its message profound. We were touching the cosmos. It carried the golden record, a disk of sights and sounds, music, greetings, images of Earth, a message in a cosmic bottle for any civilization that might find it, billions of years from now. Humanity's story, our song, sent drifting among the stars, a testament to our spirit. More than 40 years passed, a lifetime for many. Voyager One endured. The cold, the radiation, the distance. Its plutonium power source decayed slowly, inevitably. Energy levels dwindled, a whisper from deep space. Its long journey was taking its toll. Instruments were shut down, one by one, regretfully. Priorities shifted to survival, to keep vital systems online, to maintain contact with Earth. Every watt of power precious. The science missions scaled back. Its main task now to simply exist, to keep its faint voice alive. On Earth, teams listened. Generations of scientists, engineers, dedicated souls. They tracked its faint signal, deciphered its weak messages, guided its ancient systems. A bond across billions of miles, a testament to human persistence. Hope remained, even as power faded. The end was drawing near, not with a bang, but a slow, silent fade into the eternal darkness. Its energy reserves critically low, but perhaps one final act, one last message to send, a final poignant duty. A thought began to form. Section 5, one last look homeward, a final daring maneuver. The idea was audacious, almost poetic. Turn Voyager One's camera, one last fleeting time, towards its distant origin, towards home, towards Earth, a final farewell photograph, a new perspective on ourselves, from the edge of forever. It would echo a past triumph. The pale blue dot image, taken in 1990, Earth, a tiny speck of dust, suspended in a sunbeam. This new image would be different, from much, much farther away. Billions more miles travelled. What would our world look like now? The technical challenges were immense. The camera was old, ancient. The spacecraft systems fragile, aiming it precisely across that void, an incredible feat of engineering. Would the mechanisms even work? Could it capture anything meaningful? The risks were substantial, but the potential reward immeasurable. The command was formulated, checked, double-checked, triple-checked. Then it was sent. A stream of radio waves, travelling for hours, days, across the gulf of space to awaken a sleeping eye. Then the long wait began. Weeks of anticipation, hearts pounding. Section 6, the unveiling, not the Earth we knew. The signal finally arrived. Today, May 26, 2025. Data packets, one by one, painfully slow, terribly faint. Engineers pieced them together. Pixels formed an image, line by line. The tension grew. The world watched. Breath held. What would Voyager's last gaze show? A final glimpse of home. There it was, Earth, a mere point of light, even smaller than before, a pale blue mote almost lost. But then scientists looked closer. Something else was present, something utterly unexpected, around our tiny, fragile planet, a structure, faint, ethereal. This was no camera flare, not a data transmission error. All checks were performed rigorously. The structure was undeniably there, a delicate, glowing nimbus, encircling our world, unseen in any previous image. Undreamed of by any theory, a silent, profound shock. The news spread like wildfire. From hushed labs to global headlines, Voyager One's final image had revealed something astonishing, something that changed everything. Earth was not as we knew it. From the cosmic distance, a new truth. The world reeled, disbelief, awe. A wave of questions began. Section 7. The Cosmic Enigma, a universe questioning itself. Scientists were stunned, baffled. The image defied easy explanation, the faint structure around Earth. What could it possibly be? Theories emerged rapidly, from the mundane to the extraordinary. Wild speculation filled the airwaves, alongside sober, careful analysis, the scientific process in overdrive. Could it be a natural phenomenon, something previously undetected? Perhaps an exotic interaction between Earth's magnetosphere and the interstellar medium, amplified by some unknown factor, or a new type of aurora, visible only from extreme distances. These were the initial hopes, but the structure seemed too defined, too symmetrical, some whispered. The question hung heavy, unspoken. Could it be artificial? The thought sent shivers down spines across the globe. No evidence supported this yet, but the image alone was a jolt, a profound cosmic question mark. Voyager One's final snapshot offered no direct answers, only the visual, startling fact. Earth from deep space had changed, or our perception of it had. A new layer of mystery wrapped around our homeworld. The universe had thrown down a gauntlet, a challenge to our understanding. Section 8. Humanity's New Dawn, a universe reimagined. The shockwaves continue to ripple across every nation, every culture. This image touches everyone. It speaks to something fundamental, our place in the vast cosmos. We thought we understood our home, now we see anew. We are not alone in our quest. The universe itself seems to be part of it. Our cosmic address suddenly feels less certain, more wondrous, more mysterious, redefined once more by a tiny, aging probe, billions of miles away. Voyager One, in its final act, has given us an incredible gift, a reason to look up and ask why. Future space missions will now carry a new urgency, a new set of questions, to understand this strange halo, to explore its implications. Is it a shield, a signal, or something beyond our ken? The drive to explore has been powerfully reignited. Voyager One's legacy is secure. It was a messenger of peace, a pioneer of exploration, and now a catalyst for revelation. Its final image, a profound question, etched into humanity's consciousness, a challenge to learn more, to be more. The journey continues. Our universe is waiting.